Confucius said this: "The expectations of life depend upon diligence. The mechanic that would perfect his work must first sharpen his tools." In the context of menswear, you, the mechanic, have your tools, but those tools are not your clothing. Rather, those tools are the things you use to make your clothing work better for you. Let's examine those tools right now. Caller ID. One of these things is a steamer. And the steamer doesn't have to be expensive, but hitting it with the steamer, your jacket, your pants, every several wearings will help to maintain the lifespan and reduce trips to the dry cleaners. One bad trip to the dry cleaners and a suit could be ruined. So spare yourself fewer trips to the dry cleaner. Get a steamer. They are so worth the investment. Also, get yourself some garment bags. Get yourself some garment bags. Use them to cover up the out of season stuff, suits or otherwise, to keep them from dust, moths, some of the obvious things, but some of the not so obvious things is out of sight, out of mind. You can focus on what you have in your rotation that's in season. It actually help you get dressed quicker. Not all of these tools you have to purchase. The greatest tool you have is right here. So let this tool take your hands and help you to rotate your suits. You may have more than one suit, you may not. That's okay. But you don't want to wear suits consecutive days if you can help it. Suits have fibers, the materials, they need to relax after they've been on you, after they've been in use, moving around. Naturally, one suit will see more wear and tear than if you have two or more that you spread throughout a given week. If you're wearing suits regularly, speaking of relaxing fibers, hang your suit up in an open area before you just put it back in your closet. Don't take it off and put it on the hanger and shove it in right away. Because even if it was not a hot day, and even if you feel like you didn't sweat or anything, again, these suits need to relax after they've been on you. Put a fan on them, let air pass through them. It's a freshener. And when it's ready to go back in the closet, get yourself a good hanger. Suit jackets deserve good hangers. Something with a flared end, something wide enough to accommodate the shoulder, something with an arc that mimics much the way the suit fits on you. No matter what material it is, wood, plastic, make sure that it's the proper width for your suit. Make sure that it hits the shoulders just right. If the ends of the hanger go beyond the seam where the shoulder meets the sleeve, it's too wide. You need to narrow down. Back to those garment bags for a moment. If your suits have been in a garment bag for a long time, open them up, take them out, let them air out. Again, it doesn't hurt to have fresh air pass through your suits. Just take stock of your wardrobe, see if there's any repairs that need to be made. Maybe you want to pass something on or keep it. It's just a good thing to check what's underneath those bags every once in a while. Plus, you could dig around in the pockets and you might find some extra cash. And my goodness gracious, do not overcrowd your closet. Not only is it hard to see what you have in your closet, but everything wrinkles up when it's up next to each other. The garments need to breathe. Keep at least 3 inches of space between the hangers, and that should be suitable to see everything you've got. And here are 3 more tools for you. Undershirts, undershirts, undershirts. Man, what a game changer. This keeps sweat not only off the dress shirt, but also off your suit jacket. Man, if you look inside someone's inner lining in a suit and you see sweat stains, jeez. This is the only thing that protects your suit while you're wearing the suit. Amazing, right? Because suits can be pricey. You want to protect those investments. And this undershirt right here is one of the best purchases I've ever made. You can watch my review on it here. I'll talk to you there.